All right, we're going to talk about the Whipping Boy work packet. Looks like this. You can take it apart. I think I might have stapled it. You can unstaple it. That's fine. The first page are your attribute webs. There's a video on YouTube on how to do this, so be sure you look at that. You have to, it tells you how many of these spokes you have to write on. And then you're given Jemmy and Prince Brat, then you have to choose 2 other characters out of the story to do. This is your shield. A shield would contain a motto and a picture. So down here you write a motto, whatever your motto is. It's a statement for what you like. Let's say you like to shop. Shop till you drop could be your motto, and then your picture should show shopping. Soccer for life, and then you would have a picture up here of shopping. Soccer. So whatever your motto is, whatever you decide is going to be your motto or the phrase that stands for you, that's what you write down here. Then you draw a picture that goes with that. And be sure that you use color in there too. If you're going to use Sharpies, make sure that it's set on something so it doesn't bleed through to other papers. Colored pencils work really well because it's smaller. So that's your shield. This page is a little bit of vocabulary. You have to define the word decree. So look it up if you don't know what it means, and you write the meaning here. Once you figure out what a decree means, then you get to write your own decree. A royal decree issued by, you put your name there, and then let it be known that on this day, and you can make whatever decree you want. I'm not going to say any more about that because I don't give away what a decree is. This is your coat of arms. And you read the top, talks about what a crest or a coat of arms was used for. When you read that, I think you'll understand what you're supposed to do, but you're going to divide it into 4. You divide it in half this way and half this way, and you put 4 things in here that represent you. It's different than your motto, but whatever's on your shield, your motto, you could have one of the corners could have that too. Like Bella might put mudding on here. It might mud all day, and then part of this might be mudding. Okay, for Braden, it could be go to the racetrack or racing for life. You could also have racing on here. So you divide into 4, and you put 4 pictures that represent you and things that you like, things that have to do with you. And probably, since we know each other pretty well, we would be able to guess whose shield belonged to who if we could see them. So once you draw this, if you want to take a picture of it and send it to everybody, that would be cool too. So that's your shield. It's supposed to be done in color. And then you have the Spotlight Literary Skill. This is the hardest one to do. I'm going to give you some of the answers to get you started, because if you were working together, it would be easier. This is challenging. Okay, these are all sentences out of the story. You have to put them in order, 1 through 14. And you're going to probably want to use the book to this one. I'm going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to give you 5 of them. Okay, so I'm going to go from the top. The sentence that says Jemmy and Prince Brat drink milk at the fair, that's number 10. Then you jump down to Betsy gives directions to Jemmy, that's number 5. And then number 1, the prince ties the nobles' wigs to chairs, that's number 1. Then go down to Old Tosher helps the boys escape, that's 13. And then the very last one down here, the prince gets a whipping, that's number 8. Okay? And then you go back and fill in the rest. If you get stuck on that, shoot me an email and I'll give you some clues or where to look in the book, as it is challenging. All right, this is a crossword puzzle. I'm going to give you some of the answers because some of it we haven't been able to go over, some of it we don't even do even if we were in class. So I'm going to give you 7 across. 7 across is simile, S-I-M-I-L-E. 12 across is historical fiction, Historicalfiction. 14 down is broadsides. It's plural, broadsides. A broadside is one of your vocabulary words, but it's kind of hard to find. So it's broadsides, B-R-O-A-D-S-I-D-E-S. And the last one I'm going to give you is 17 down, ballad, B-A-L-L-A-D. Now when you get to, I think it's 6 down, 6 down is kind of tricky because it's like one of those trick questions, so be careful with 6 down. You're going to want to get 9 across first and maybe 11 across first, and 9 across is in chapter 1. I think it's actually like on the very first page of the story. Some kids get stuck with 9 across also. If you get stuck on these, shoot me an email and I'll give you some help. I can tell you what page to find the answer. And this last one, this isn't difficult. It's just some matching and some true or false. And that's all there is to the work packet. So get that finished up, and then on the 18th I will collect, well, I'm coming out this Friday, but I'll probably collect these all on the 18th. Bye-bye.